Good morning, Lauren.
Good morning.
Okay, so Lauren, what are we doing? Where are we?
We are at the Small Bear Hotel.
What? We're at the Great Wolf Lodge. But we so the Great Wolf Lodge is like.
Look at it.
Oh, you want to go look at it?
Or do you want it to be?
Let's go to our room. Oh, there's the Dunkin' Donuts. But yeah, we've never actually stayed here. We've driven past it. It's right here in the heart of our city.
This is so cute.
Oh, that is cute.
Oh, that's the
Magic Quest thing, maybe. But yeah, we've driven past here a bunch of times and we've never actually been here. So we decided to have a little staycation. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah.
And
So we can go there for dinner?
Yeah. But yeah, we are doing a mini. But yeah.
Little mini staycation.
Yeah,
I'm gonna let you finish this one real quick.
You're good. We're doing a mini staycation. We've never actually stayed here, but we got here early. It's like 11 a.m. The room's already ready. So we're gonna go. We'll show you guys a room tour right now, and then we're going swimming.
Yes, we are.
Okay. Okay. Where are the lights?
Oh, right there. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Room tour time. Oh, this is like a spacious room. Okay. Interesting that the sink is out here. We'll start in the bathroom. Oh, the bathroom is very dark. Like,
Yeah.
not much light in the bathroom, but okay. But we got this. There, it is very dark over here. Let's find lights. I don't know where the light is over here. There we go.
There we go.
It's a decently. Okay, moment of truth. You ready?
Yes.
Ready? You get the other side. 3, 2, 1.
That's so funny. Oh, wow,
gosh.
That's sad.
Yeah.
That's okay.
It was funny because she promoted it as a like city of Anaheim view that we got, and we got to get in right now. It's okay. It's 11 a.m. We didn't expect to be in it right now, but that is the water park right there. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, I did shoot you back. I love you. Okay.
Oh, it did.
Okay. First bite. Yeah. Is it good? Yeah. So we got filet mignon. And thank you. So we got filet mignon. It comes with mashed potatoes, carrots, broccoli, and the filet. I got a 10 ounce. You got a 6.
Yeah.
It's good. I love you.
I love you.
We'll see you guys after.
And when it's time to find home, we know the way.